I think the Macklin Business Institute gives you a lot of opportunities to really shape you into being a good professional.
You have so much support, so many cool opportunities.
Creating a product, marketing the product, looking at the accounting and financing behind it, and making sure that it's profitable.
I feel that academics can only take you so far. It's about like the experiential learning that you get and also like that guidance.
How to dress, how to speak, how to look at people in the eyes when you're talking to them, how to shake hands, how to walk up to somebody and greet them and introduce yourself.
This place will give you all of the opportunities that you need to reach whatever level you're hoping to attain.
I always say that MBA helped me reach my full potential. They gave me a lot of opportunities and provide me with a lot of resources.
So if you're looking for an internship or a job or just to stay in touch with professionals your age or older or younger than you, it's a great community to be part of.
Why MBI? Simple. You will learn and you will have fun doing it, and you will meet lifelong friends. Period.